Here's the reality. You can build serious muscle using nothing but your own body weight. No gym membership, no dumbbells, no fancy machines. A well-built chest, big arms, a wide back, and strong legs can all be developed right where you're standing. These 5 equipment-free exercises will force your muscles to grow. Commit to them for 28 days and your body will prove you never needed a gym in the first place. Let's kick things off with a move that reshapes your entire upper body. And no, I'm not talking about standard push-ups. They're solid, but they mainly target your chest. To truly develop a complete upper body, you need Spider-Man push-ups. They hit everything: chest, shoulders, triceps, core, obliques, and even your hip flexors. It's like mixing a push-up with a core twist and a mobility drill all at once. Begin in a regular push-up position. As you lower your body, bring one knee toward the elbow on the same side, like you're crawling forward. Keep your core tight, your hips steady, and switch sides on each rep. Every rep demands coordination and balance, activating far more muscles than a normal push-up. Your obliques will fire up to keep you stable, and the slight rotation gives your chest a deeper stretch. They may look a little odd, but the results are worth the awkwardness. Try a set after this video and you'll feel the difference immediately. Now let's talk about your back. If you only train what you see in the mirror, you're missing out on half your potential gains. Most people skip pulling exercises when they don't have equipment, which destroys their chances of building that V-taper everyone wants. You can still train your back at home using bodyweight rows. If you have a strong table or bar, do inverted rows. If not, towel rows on a door frame rows, or even prone rows on the floor will light up your lats, traps, and rear delts. These muscles pull your shoulders back, improving posture and giving your body shape and depth. Pulling movements don't just add muscle, they build your structure. Next up, legs. And no, basic bodyweight squats aren't enough to grow them. If you want real leg development with no equipment, Bulgarian split squats are the answer. Place one foot behind you on a couch or chair, step forward with the other, and drop straight down. Press through your front heel. This isn't just a leg exercise, it's a full-body balance challenge. Your quads burn, your glutes engage, and the stabilizers you've ignored for years finally get activated. If full range is tough, start with assisted lunges. If you want to make them tougher, add pauses or slow the tempo. You can even elevate your front foot for a bigger stretch. It's one of the most effective leg exercises you can do anywhere, which is exactly why many people avoid it, because it's hard and that's why it works. Now, let's build some shoulder width. If you're not doing pike push-ups, you're not actually training your shoulders. Pike push-ups are essentially a bodyweight version of an overhead press. Start in a downward dog position, lower your head toward the ground, then press back up using your shoulders. It takes control and stability, and it hits the delts in a way regular push-ups never will. Want it easier? Bend your knees. Want it harder? Elevate your feet and turn it into a decline pike push-up. Try just one set. Your shoulders will thank you or silently scream at you, but either way, they'll grow. But here's the catch. If you ignore your core, every other exercise becomes less effective. And no, I'm not talking about sit-ups. For a strong, functional core that protects your spine and improves performance, start with the hollow body hold. Lie on your back, arms overhead, legs straight. Lift both slightly off the ground and press your lower back into the floor. Your job is to hold that position. It's about tension, not movement. Your abs, obliques, hip flexors, and lower back will all work together to keep you stable. Begin with 20-30 seconds, build up to a minute, then advance to hollow rocks for an even bigger challenge. This one movement improves posture, prevents injuries, and boosts the strength of every other exercise you do. So, how do you actually build muscle with all this? Simple. Stop guessing. Choose 4 of these exercises, train them 3 to 4 days a week, focus on slow, controlled reps, long time under tension, short rest, and progressive overload. Better form, better control, and slightly more reps week by week. You don't need a long list of exercises. You just need 5 that actually work and a reason to stay consistent. Here's your simple blueprint. Spider-Man push-ups for upper body strength, rows for your back and biceps, Bulgarian split squats for your legs, pike push-ups for your shoulders and triceps, and hollow body holds to tie everything together. No gym, no equipment, no excuses. And since you made it to the end, the full routine is yours. Just screenshot it or write it down. And while you're here, drop a comment telling me your favorite at-home exercise.